arch. So I think we need some rock in the front yard going back a bit into the side and maybe on the other side of the house as well. So we're on a cul-de-sac, there's no parking on the street, and that's not a walking trail as far as I can tell, but it is nice to be able to look over and to see space rather than feeling crowded on a street. There's parking over there. Property manager is going to like this long boring walk to the side of the house, but I'm not sure how picky we can be in this price range, honestly. So coming in, we have this coat closet, pretty standard, garage off to the right. Probably want to junk that fridge. I would just budget for that now. Sorry. So the tile isn't lining up exactly with the baseboards. We'll see what can be done about that. It's not a big issue. And we have the correct blinds throughout the properties. Some need to be replaced just because of the heat from the sun. So I'm very tall, and this house feels interesting to me because I don't know if you can tell how high this counter is, but it's pretty high. And the ceilings are high. This is such a high door for a house, especially in this price range. It's just interesting to me. So, of course, we need a landscape cleanup before we put it on the market. We do that on pretty much all the properties. And a pet door. Most renters in America have pets, so you may want to consider allowing pets if you want to decrease or reduce vacancy time. Oh, and upgrade a light fixture. Okay, let's head upstairs. So the carpets have stains here and there. It's I think it's about $1.35 a square foot, or somewhere around there, maybe $1.50 a square foot. So it's a small investment to replace the carpet for a big difference. The property manager will tell us if that's even an option. If we want to wait. We need her opinion. So we would probably almost certainly want to replace this vinyl with some tile at about $5 a square foot, plus we're on the second floor, so about another $1.50 or so a square foot for the HardieBacker material. That's something we do on all the properties. The paint is pinkish peach, I'd say. And of course it's been lived in, so you can see that in some places. Like this door. I'm not sure how much is picking up on video, but it looks like you can see a change in sheen here. And because it's not quite our color, you might just want to repaint it. We need some closet door guides over there too. Install the tile here as well. So we have what looks like burn marks or something on the dryer. A tiny little loft area. You could put a desk there. Really nice large fan. So this side of the house gets the sun. That's why the blinds are warped. We see that all the time. We need some closet door guides on both of these closets. That's it.